What's up, guys? Today we are going to be unboxing the Hoka shoes. I've never owned a pair of Hokas before, so it's kind of new for me. So yeah, I got it at the Fit to Run store. Just opened. This is the box. Looks pretty cool. Okay. And you can see a picture of what it looks like. Right there, the size. Oh dang it, there was a bunch of stuff in the bag. Okay, now let's actually open the box. Hey yo! Check that out. That's pretty cool. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There's a logo here. The words Hoka right here. Look how big this white part is. Ultra cushioning, I'm assuming. Wow. And then arrows, not sure what that means. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Looks kind of cool. So yeah, this has been the Hoka. What is this? This has been the Hoka Clifton 8 unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.